MAN, Metropolitan Area Networks. Now Metropolitan, the name is suggesting metro. We are talking about a city, a small city, big city, mediocre city. We don't know the range, but I'll tell you the kilometers. Then you can have a bit idea. Now, for example, we have a cable television networks. Now they are not very popular, but still the cable television networks. It will give you a brief idea. The MAN. In the cable television network earlier on a hill, they used to put an antenna, and all the signals will be sent through various means to the subscriber houses who are subscribed to the cable television. But after this internet, the cable TV networks, they have started providing a two-way internet service. There are certain parts of the spectrum. There is an electromagnetic spectrum. You have to buy certain part of the spectrum, that is the frequencies. There are certain parts which are free. So the MAN, what I want to show here, how does it look? Especially when we are talking about a cable network, or how the different subscribers or the houses are connected. So we have, for example, television signal, or even say the internet. Both of the things you can understand. They are sent or fed into a centralized cable head end. And from here, it goes through different houses through the junction box. See here. What I'm trying to suggest here is that you want to access internet, you want to access cable television. Then there has to be some means through antenna or through some internet or ISPs. They use this way of head end, and then it goes to the junction box. And this junction box is specifically street, you can say. There is one more MAN. It became very popular, but it was overpowered very shortly. So that was WiMAX. WiMAX, normally people ask it, so you must know about this WiMAX, because this is also a metropolitan area network. It used to be. Now it is nowhere. There is another MAN. It was given NIEEE 802.16. So WiMAX stands for Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access. Let me tell you again. Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access. And this was based on IEEE 802.13, and it is providing higher data rates. The coverage is also higher, and this is based on MAN. So I said, and I'll tell you the kilometers, so you can have an idea about 50 kilometers for MAN.